wrecked my truck.
Whoa! If anybody wants a gently used SR5 grill.
If anybody was wondering, this is what a brand new Tundra looks like without a grill on it.
Crazy, huh? We're kind of on the same level of like, you got the bright yellow truck, right?
Bright yellow.
You brought the bright, oh, there it is right there. Look at that thing. Seen from a mile away. Seen from outer space. Crazy, right? It's sick. Look at this thing though. 1,200 horsepower right there. Isn't that crazy? Like what? Cars come with 1,200 horsepower from the factory nowadays. That's crazy right there. But yeah, dude, what do you think? Crazy, huh? It's got pop, right? So we have the new, I picked up the TRD Sport Grill. I also have the TRD Pro Grill on order, but that's gonna be another about a few weeks out. So in the meantime, we'll take the SR5 grill off and replace it with the TRD Sport Grill sitting in the back of the truck right now.
Brand new Lucid. This thing looks. I've never seen one. I've never seen one next to a blue Tundra either. Looks like a spaceship, dude. What's that? What was that? Those wheels are super classy. They're awesome looking.
Oh, bro, check this out right here. Massage chairs.
No way.
What are you feeling? Feeling like you want to unwind? There you go.
Dude, my whole back.
Isn't that insane?
Look at that color in the sun, man. It's awesome. It's so bright. All right, let's check this thing out, dude.
I've had this back here for a little while.
Much more bold.
Yeah, dude, I think so. Personally, I think it's a way better look. Way better. So, yeah, it shouldn't be too hard to assemble, I don't think. I mean, it's all clips for the most part. I think the front bumper needs to come off.
Let's
then
see.
we'll transfer over the sensor right here, and let's take out a badge also. And I guess while we're at it, maybe we'll paint the badge black too.
Yeah.
I think so.
Look at that comparably.
Yeah, I think it needs to be blacked out.
Oh yeah.
So much better.
Much more bold.
Or probably 10 mils up top right here. Looks like the first thing we have to do. Okay.
All right.
So those are off, and then we'll disconnect these 3 wiring harnesses.
2 up top on the passenger side and another on the driver's side. There you go. There you
Cool.
go. 3 clips, easy, just like that. 10 mil.
Yeah, so
10
3
mil
10
bolts.
mils, there's 3.
4.
Oh, 4. Yeah, there's 1. Let's turn the wheel first though.
Turn the wheel to get access to
Yeah,
your
definitely.
bolts beforehand.
Yeah, it definitely helps to turn the wheel for sure.
All right, so the fender flares just held in with a couple clips. Same thing with the bumper.
Yeah, so that's all that was a couple screws back there. So we'll do that on both sides. Turn the wheel again.
Solid. Fill out the other 4. There's 1, and there are the others. That's always the scariest thing, trying to pull off plastic.
I know, once it actually pops, you're like, whoa.
You're like, dude, you don't want to break it, but
Okay, so that's that, and then there's 4 10 mils deep in, like behind the grill back there, behind the shutters and everything.
of course, those 2 silver there. and
yeah.
Those 2 silver right there. If I can even get it, there you go.
Elon Musk, if you're hiring, I mean, come on.
Hit your boy up.
NASA, anybody? Hit your boy up. Let's go. Should be a couple bolts underneath the bumper. I think there's only a few. So yeah, there's 2 right here in the middle, facing down, super easy to access. And then there's 1 right there. There you go. Yeah, so we'll pull out these little push clips right here. One on this side. And now we should be good to go. Oh,
There you go.
There it is.
So there's the one.
A few more clips underneath the headlights.
It's gonna sound like it's breaking, but
It's gonna sound like it's breaking, but I can assure you, we know what we're doing. We're trained professionals.
100%. Front bumper and grill uninstalled.
Front bumper delete. My goodness.
Dang, look at all this.
Jesus.
All the stuff going on up here.
Front bumper delete. I don't doubt it. Look at this thing.
Dude.
Let's see. Hold on. Close the hood.
Dude, I think this is the new
I
look.
think that's the move, right? That's the wave right there, I think. I
is
think that's the way to do it.
This is the next step.
Yeah.
Sheesh, look at that. If anybody was wondering, this is what a brand new Tundra looks like without a grill on it. Yeah. Dang. The yellow and blue kind of go together. They're really
They
bright.
kind of do because they're bright.
Yeah.
Otherwise, nah, they don't. They're like both the same intensity and color. But no, they kind of go together, I think. If I did like yellow calipers, I think it kind of flow.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, I should tell like all my neighbors, dude, I wrecked my truck. Like I was driving, I was vibing.
Dude, right here, hand on truck.
I was
Perfect, what do they call it? What's
perfect
the
thumbnail.
Yeah, perfect thumbnail.
Just like
Wrecked my brand.
truck. All right, back to business.
Back to business. Let's go.
All right, so I'm gonna remove this active shutter grill. There's 3 10 mils on the bottom and then 3 10 mils on the top. Okay.
There you go. All right, that just comes right off. 6 bolts and one connector.
One more wiring harness right here for the front sensor. All right, so we're gonna remove all these screws around the back side of the grill. These screws up top, I believe, are what holds on the outer grill surround, like the outer grill trim, the moustache. Makes it easier to push down on the center grill while hitting the clips. And then
Right here.
one right there, yep.
Oh! Well,
If anybody wants a gently used SR5 grill, always babied, hit me up on the DM on Instagram.
there you go. 3 simple screws. That comes right off.
The last thing to transfer over is the Toyota badge. That's pretty much it. Like it's nothing like that. Simple. Okay, cool.
Go ahead and put all these screws back in. All
Yeah,
900 of them.
Yeah, about 36,000 of them.
I'd say there's a couple screws.
There's only a few. Yeah, there's not that many. 116 screws in my pocket right now for the grill surround. All right, put the blinds back on behind the grill.
Lines up. Good man.
Careful with the headlight so it doesn't scratch the headlight. I was looking for a click. Nothing's clicking.
Yeah, I know. I think it was the
I
center.
think it's just screws. Yeah, oh no, something clicked over here. I think this part.
Oh, it's the little mini grill looking thing on the side.
Oh, this guy?
I think.
Took us like what, maybe hour and a half, 2 hours?
Yeah, hour and a half, 2 hours.
Super
with filming.
With filming too, yeah. Super straightforward install. It's a bunch of clips.
Yeah, take your time. Don't break any of the plastic clips.
Yeah,
it sounds like it's gonna be breaking, but
the sound, the sound of plastic clips unclipping sounds like you're breaking stuff for sure.
Take your time with electrical connection.
Yeah.
Don't pull on the wires, you know. Like,
yeah,
right.
exactly. Yeah.
Then
So
it
if you have
comes out
a
like this.
then you get this. So if you have an SR5 grill and want the TRD Sport grill, I think, dude, it's worth it. It was, yeah, way worth it. A couple hours of install, and this is what you get right here. So I went glossy black on the badge to kind of break it up a little bit too. Kind of goes with the like A pillar, and my roof's left gloss black too. So that was kind of a nice little like, you know, little contrast right there. You see all this right here in the sun? There's like inconsistencies in the plastic. You see all that right there? It's kind of weird, huh? Some quality issues right there. It's pretty much a wrap right there. Grill's all done. We got more stuff coming soon too. I think I'll throw the bed cover on. I got a bed cover on for it now. TRD Pro grill's coming soon. But all right, that's pretty much a wrap for today. So hope you guys enjoyed. And for anyone trying to do a grill upgrade on your new body Tundra, it ain't nothing. It's simple, easy peasy. So hope you guys enjoyed. But that right there is pretty much a wrap. Catch you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.